Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to share the inspiring story of a man who proved that no obstacle is bigger than determination. This is the story of Milkha Singh, a legendary athlete known around the world as, as the Flying Sikh. Friends, when we hear the name Milkha Singh, we often think about speed, medals, and records. But behind his success was a life full of pain, struggle, sacrifice, and hard work. Milkha Singh was born in a small place called Govindpura, which is now in Pakistan. His childhood was simple, but everything changed during the partition of India in 1947. Violence spread across the region, and Milkha Singh lost most of his family members. Imagine being a young boy and suddenly losing the people you love the most. It was one of the darkest moments of his life. After facing these tragic events, he came to India as a refugee. Life was extremely difficult. He had no money, no resources, and no clear direction. Many people would have given up under such circumstances, but Milkha Singh decided to keep moving forward. Friends, success often begins when a person refuses to surrender. Milkha Singh's journey was about to take a new turn. He joined the Indian Army at first time. Life is the army. Life in the army was not easy. However, it was there that his hidden talent was discovered. He started participating in running competitions. Every morning he trained hard. Every evening he practiced again. While others were resting, he was running. Wh- While others were sleeping, he was dreaming about becoming a champion. Slowly and steadily, his hard work began to show results. In 1958, Milkha Singh achieved something extraordinary. He won gold medals in the 200-meter and 400-meter races at the Asian Games. The same year, he also won a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games. This was a historic moment because he became one of India's greatest athletes and brought pride to the entire nation. People across the country celebrated his success. Newspapers carried his stories. Young athletes started looking up to him. He became a symbol of determination and excellence. But, friends, one of the most interesting chapters of his life happened in Pakistan. During an international race, Milkha Singh competed against Pakistan's famous sprinter Malik Abdul Khalik. Milkha Singh ran with incredible speed and won the race. His performance was so impressive that Pakistan's President Ayub Khan called him the Flying Sikh. From that day onward, the world knew him by this unforgettable title. Title क्या था? The Flying Sikh. Now let us talk about a movement that changed his life forever. The year, the year was 1960. The Olympic Games were being held in Rome. Milkha Singh participated in the 400-meter final. Millions of Indians hoped that he would win a medal. He started strongly and ran one of the greatest races of his career. However, in the final moments, he lost his rhythm slightly and finished in fourth place. He missed the bronze medal. He missed the bronze medal by a very small margin. Imagine Imagine the disappointment he must have felt. Many athletes would have allowed this defeat to break them, but Milkha Singh taught the world an important lesson. He accepted the result, learned from it, and continued inspiring others. Sometimes success is not only about winning medals, sometimes success is about showing courage even when things do not go your way. Friends, Milkha Singh's story reminds us. Friends, respected Milkha Singh's story remind us that failures are not the end of the journey. They are often the beginning of greater strength and wisdom. Throughout his life, he continued to serve Indian sports and motivate young athletes. His achievements earned him great respect and recognition. He received the Padma Shri and became one of the most respected sports personalities in India. Years later, his life story inspired the famous film Bhag Milka Bhag, which introduced his incredible journey to a new generation. Even though Milkha Singh is no longer with us, his legacy continues to live on. Every time a young athlete athlete steps into a track with a dream in their heart, the spirit of Milkha Singh continues to inspire them. So, friends, what can we learn from his life? We learn that difficult circumstances cannot stop a determined person. We learn that hard work can transform pain into success. We learn that failure is not permanent if we continue moving forward. And most importantly, we learn that our past does not decide our future. Thank you for watching this inspiring story of Milkha Singh, the Flying Sikh. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next inspiring story. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Jai Hind. Thank you. Sat Sri Akal. Hello, friends. Welcome back.